Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, it's just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. Yes, it's not free, it's only $10 per month. So if you want to join us, you can benefit from all those things. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished. Today, the market gave us here a green candle, but that green candle will happen here. It got a pushing from up, and me I tell it to you, I told you Saturday and Sunday the market is going to stay flat here. Tell us we're still waiting after that pin bar here in the daily, what the market is going to do here. And we need to focus about the weekly close, how it's going to close, because in the weekly we got an inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is like that. We got a big one like that now here in that place. So even that one we need to be focused about it, what the market is going to tell us there. So here for long term, us we still waiting. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down. If you watch yesterday option, me I told you we're going to pass another sideways week here. So that's what the options they telling us. And the options, they are big whales there. They are not amateurs. They know what they're doing. Me I told you, people they've been with me for some time. Me I buy from here, here. Last time I buy from here. Now I got a pending order here at that level here. As you see, that one here down. I'm still waiting what the market is going to tell me. If we're going to reverse from here, or the market is going to fall down to touch that level here, that 24k. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Another thing very important here, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? As you see, guys, the 50 moving average is crossing below the 100. And here it's showing to us it's going to break even the 200. That one, if it happened, that one is going to be very bad sign when the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. So all that we need to be focused about it. If we're going to break that level here, as I show you in yesterday video, I told you we got here a big triangle now here. We need to focus on if we're going to come back and to break here, or we're going to break down here and we fall down more. So all those things is possible, guys, because now the Bitcoin is controlled not by retail traders or long-term investors. The Bitcoin now it's controlled by big investment banks, because those ones they got a lot of cash. That means they got more power, and those ones they making the Bitcoin to be very correlated to your stocks market. Because before we used to know the Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, then they make it now correlated to your stock market, so it's not a hedge. Now the only hedge against inflation is the gold and US dollar, and even 10-year yield or 3 years yield, those ones, yes, or bond in general. But here Bitcoin, it used to be very stronger hedge against inflation. Now those big investment banks, they enter with the big capital they have, and they make it to be not a hedge against the inflation. They make it very correlated to US market. So now for US market, there is two things we need to focus about, or three things. The first one is halving cycle, and also we are very close to it. Second one, interest rate of the Fed, when it's going to pause or to pivot, because they know also still going up. Third thing is that Bitcoin ETF. Those ones you need to be focused about. Now I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into show you some on-chain data for pictures to get more clear to you. The first one, guys, is that one here. Also being followed every time, being followed with me for long now. I've been telling you, also we are very close to the bottom and very close to the halving cycle. But now, not only those ones, they controlling now the Bitcoin. Now the Bitcoin, as I've been talking about, it's controlled even by the Fed and Bitcoin ETF, that's mean ECC. So it's need that three things to happen. First, halving cycle, the Fed to pivot, and the third thing, that ETF being approved. I'm talking here about Bitcoin ETF. All those things you need to put it aside. Focus it here. So here on chain data, also we are in a very nice level. That's when you need to start buying, guys. And also we're going to go more higher till here, near to $500,000. So you're just accumulating. We don't care about all those things for long term. We don't care about nothing. We just accumulating and we forget about it. Now it's going to show you the next indicator. The other one, guys, is that one here. His name funding rate. I've been talking about it for some time now. I told you if we have it breaking that level here, that's meant to come a spike like that, like how it happened even here. So now we started seeing some green here. That's when people they still accumulating, but we haven't seen a big spike here. So also we still waiting till that spike here happening. Then also we know the bulls they came back. Till now only the bears were still controlling now here. So that one it give you more clear picture. Let's see now the chart one what it's saying today. That one here talk about it before, but it's okay to repeat it. I've been talking about when we being down here, like here, like here. It's being the bottom. As you see it, we being here when we used to be at 15k. Now also we're breaking above. Now either that one is going to touch that level here. Then after that it's going to take off. Plus it's going to become blue like that. It's going to be very high chance the market is going to jump to the sky. And that's how it look here. And if you see every time when it happened at blue, it happened at deep. Then after that it happened a major push. And that's what's happening here. Also we are very close to that deep. Then after that we're going to see a major jump. And me have been talking about that deep thousands of times. I told you before the market to take off, it's going to happen about deep. And that deep it started now. Maybe we're going to go back to that 15k. Maybe we're going to go to 20k. But guys, don't get scared. Don't sell. Just hold your crypto. Bitcoin it will go very high. And no one can give you exactly the prediction where it will go. So just accumulating and store your Bitcoin in a safe place. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here in last video I told you like that. I cannot do it like that me. I told you if we haven't breaking down here, there is no entry short. And if we haven't breaking up here, there is no entry long. And now also we still waiting here. Now the market here in that level also we come into it when we go to 30 minutes. Here at this time it hasn't give us here a clear price action for us to enter a long here in the 4 hours, but in small time frames it gave us here a price action. Now here that level here it's still very powerful. Maybe we're going to go till that level here, that one here, as you see it. I said that level here, you go to your broker, then you do it like that. Because as I've been talking about yesterday, I told you, if I told you exactly the level is going to be different depending which broker you're using. So you see that peak here, that where the Bitcoin is, it will go. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area. For me, I've been talking about that. I told you there is more deep is going to come. And that's what me have been talking about. There is the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. That level where we are now, the 25k, is going to get broke down. And we're going to fall down more than that till we're going to touch here the oversold area. And after that, we're going to try to enter long. Now there is no long. And that indicator here is telling us that. Look at it. For controlling now is only the bears. The only time when it came here, very quickly it go back inside. That means over here, that indicator of us is prefer to stay where is the bears they controlling, compare where is the bulls they controlling. And that here, it gives give you a very clear picture to the market, what the market is doing now. So also we're still in a downtrend, and also we're touching here the overbought area. So also we're coming from overbought area, we need to touch the oversold area. When the market is going to fall down more and there is no entry, maybe you're going to see a correction or something, but there is no entry till it will touching down here the oversold area. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing, it hasn't touched here the oversold area, so technically you can enter long now, unless if you got a very clear price action here. Yes, you can enter, but now we haven't, because level also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and now a lot of people they trade or they make decision based on levels like that. But also we don't doing that. Also we're waiting confirmation. Without confirmation, also we are not going to enter, and that's what also we're waiting now. We're waiting a confirmation from the market, and I want to enter here to oversold area. If that doesn't happen, that means there is no entry long, no entry short, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. Yes, without you and the other and the other and the other. And I'm going to give you a challenge, guys. We want that video to reach at least 90 like. 90 like, I know you can do it. So please go ahead and do it. It's just here, a thumbs up here in that level here. Go and smash it, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, I told just people in my Telegram and my Discord with the market just gave us there a head and shoulder, and that's what's happening exactly as you see it here. That the head and shoulder, guys. You see it or no? Very clear head and shoulder. The neckline is it here. You saw me how I draw it from that one and that one. Now that one, what we need to do, we are waiting. If it's getting broke here, we're going to enter long. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, if it fall down, what should we do? If it fall down, I told you here, you see it or no? You got that trend line from that one and that one. But me personally, I'm waiting to enter long. I'm not going to enter short in 30 minutes. If you are more conservative, you waiting that correction to happen up and you try to enter a short from here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, I told you, we got here a very clear divergence here. You can find it in yesterday video. Now the market, he gave us here a head and shoulder as you see it. If it's breaking the neckline, also we need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.